Hello there and welcome to this video on Anthurium plant care. Today I'm going to talk about two things: what location is good for the plant and how to water. As you can see, I've got a few here, and this one is relatively big with healthy leaves, but it has no flowers, whereas these two plants come in small cups. These cups have no drainage holes. As small as the cups are, they're supporting the plants with beautiful flowers. So what has made the difference? Well, to me, it's sunlight, filtered sunlight. These two plants receive filtered morning sun, whereas this one does not. It was kept in a well-lit position with no filtered sunlight. I've just moved it to the window to encourage flowering, hoping with morning sunlight it will begin to flower again. The second thing is about watering. As you can see, it's just a normal pot with drainage holes. So usually how I water is I'll just, the soil looks relatively dry. And this plant likes to have a bit of dry period before you water again. So I've given it quite a good drink, and I'll come back to give it a second watering. As for these two, as I've mentioned, those cups have no drainage holes. So what I've been doing is to wait for soil to get dry before watering. So when I water, I give it a good drink. And there's about 2 centimeters at the bottom. You can see it's darker. That's how much water is sitting at the bottom. So I'll just add a little bit more. From experience, when it gets to 3 centimeters, I stop. And then I just let water sitting there. And for some reason, the plant has been able to handle that. The one next to it, the soil doesn't look that dry yet, so I'm going to wait for a day before I water it again. And now I'll come back to this. I like to give it a good drink and always make sure the plant sits in a bit of water. Okay, what's been your experience? Let me know in the comments below. And good luck with yours, and enjoy these lucky plants.